Hello and welcome to the Black Hearts Club. Today we are going to go check out a
Party City.
Yes, one that is still open. So we're going to go in there and see if we can find any Halloween. So join us.
If you dare.
1, 2, spooky fun. Black Hearts Club. Spooky fun. Black Hearts Club.
So look what we found. It's an open party city. Now the reason this one is open is because it's independently owned. So let's go inside and see if we can find any Halloween. Of course, as soon as you walk in, they do have lots and lots of balloons. Here we go.
Oh my God, look back here. Look at all these balloons.
Jeez.
Hey, first
that sure
Halloween
is a
sighting.
lot.
Halloween cups.
Halloween cups and then
Halloween
this.
toys.
Yeah, what is that?
It's like teeth and fingers and party favors.
From Fun Express.
Yeah. It's kind of cool though. Kind of digging the vampire fangs.
I don't see a price. But yeah, these cups, they're kind of cool. It says, "Witch please. I'm just here for the booze." And then this one says, "Trick or treat."
And here goes some of the Halloween. Huh. Fence faces, ghost face, $5 for that. That's kind of funny. That's Harry Potter there.
Table cover.
Window creeper. Looks like it's all ghost face.
Lots of ghost face.
Door
I
cover.
guess he's pretty popular.
Yeah.
Oh, look at, here's a Demogorgon. He likes it cold from Stranger Things.
This was from last year, the Amazing Circus Freak Show.
Oh, and they're blacklight
Yeah,
reactive.
that was from last year. That's left over from last year.
Oh, look at these plates.
$6.99 for that? That's like Dollar Tree quality for $6.99.
And then here's a tablecloth.
But look up here. They've got the good stuff up here. They've got the little Michael Myers dolls, the Annabelle, the Chucky.
Oh, yeah.
They've got the fog machine. Here's a Bubble and Bones. He'll pull your funny bone with Halloween jokes. So he tells jokes.
Oh, look at a slimy ooze.
Apparently the Bubble and Bones is $20. He's got an orange handwritten price tag on him.
Oh, yeah, there's another one.
Yeah,
too.
$20.
A walking, ooh, black
Spider.
walking spider.
That's
Oh.
all what you want right there, right?
Oh, look it. I like that treat bag. That's a cool treat bag.
But wouldn't your candy fall out? The mouth is
No,
open.
because it's clear. There's something there. It's a window.
Oh.
It's a clear window so you can see how much candy you have.
Look at Annabelle peering down at us.
I think she wants down. You think she'll escape?
It's kind of creepy.
There's some wall decorations. It looks like black roses for $12.
I don't see any of the cutouts they had last year. Ooh, Fun World.
Pennywise.
I always love Fun World. Fartenstein. Whoopee cushion. Oh, look at Fartenstein.
Mm-hmm.
Let it rip. You know what I say? This Halloween, witch better have my candy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that one. It's like brains.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes,
Pain in the axe.
I was gonna say, sometimes filming with Ashley can be a pain in the axe.
Oh, look at
Hey,
the.
wait.
Oh. Harry Potter floating candles. Hocus Pocus.
Look at the dog dressed like Ghostface.
And, well, there's a Ghostface grave breaker.
So this year we've seen a Ghostface grave breaker and a Ghostface scarecrow at Walmart.
There's a jabbering Jack. Oh, too bad they have all this stuff up so high.
I think they're in the process of bringing it down. Uh-oh, I see the Halloween 3 witch. Is she on clearance?
Here's a bloody body bag for $12. Yikes. Pop-up coffin. Then they have this guy for $20.
Now we're getting into the fun stuff. Look, we've got the masks. That's a good buy for the Halloween 3 Season of the Witch. $55 for her isn't bad at all.
Look at that one. The like brain with the long tongue. What the heck is that from?
Yeah, I know. That's Resident Evil.
And then they have like 3 different versions of Frankenstein's monster.
Look at the detail on Frankenstein. Here we go again. That was the great debate. Ashley calls it Frankenstein's monster. I call it Frankenstein.
I don't like this one. That one looks weird.
That witch is a little bit different than mine.
Does that one glow in the dark? Because I know some of them do glow in the dark.
That's not the glow in the dark one though, but I got my witch off of
Trick or Treat
Studios. Got mine off of eBay, so I think mine was a knockoff. She's got all the warts and everything, so hers is kind of cool.
Look at that clown.
I got to take this from Ashley because she's a shorty, so I'll use my extra height so we can zoom in on
That's kind of cool though.
the ghost. Now, how does this fit in? The back to school stuff mixed in the Halloween stuff. I don't know. Do I comment on this?
I don't think so. Ooh,
I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it.
This is Party City's Halloween. We have all kinds of masks. Here's me up here also. I'm only $35. I'm a discounted price right now. I'm trying to make America great again by offering a great deal on my mask for $35. Make Halloween great again.
Oh, look at that one has a moving mouth.
Oh wow.
And there's Vecna. Wow, they've got a lot of great masks here.
There's lots of Purge masks.
Yeah,
Have you seen all the Purge movies?
I've seen most of them. That's one you always try on, the Stanley.
Yeah.
Oh, look it's Billy from Hocus Pocus.
This Michael Myers ain't got no hair.
No, and then look at that one with
All the
those
eyes. Yeah, it's some weird stuff.
Ooh, that's kind of a weird creature. Is
Look
that
at-
like a knockoff?
Gilbert, Herman Munster, Sam. They've always got great masks.
Ooh, even that girlish ghoul.
I'm kind of thinking about getting the witch mask because it looks better than mine.
Huh, and then down here we've got some,
Capes and all of that stuff. Right there, a sign says capes and robes. Then we've got
Ooh,
some
look at that
creepy
one.
stuff over here.
A zombie cook.
Would you eat any of his cooking?
hell no.
Oh, that's supposed to be Shania Twain.
Is it?
Country pop star. That's how she dressed in Man, I Feel Like a Woman. Oh,
Look at
bloody
that.
axe in the head.
For $5.
I don't
You
think
know,
I've seen
you like
that
to
before.
threaten me with.
Oh, so is that going in my head right now? Look.
So is ghoulish like? Obviously, it's a brand because we saw that at that other Halloween like superstore.
Yeah.
But their quality seems to be really good.
Oh yeah, that is good point on that. I didn't notice. Oh my God. How old is this sign?
It's got to be very old.
This sign's been hanging up for 5 years and nobody's thought, okay, I'm
Unless
walking
they
by.
don't want people to try stuff on anymore.
Okay, maybe it's like a resurgence or something. I was just thinking, has it been up for 5 years? Oh, these shirts used to be all the rage back in the day. I remember Danzig wearing those mesh muscle shirts. Look, this right here goes with this right here.
Yeah, and then look, they have zombie sound box.
That shit ain't gonna work. Look, that's old.
Yeah, look at that. Is there a date on that?
Look at the packaging on this. Let's see. I am looking.
No date.
I would guess probably 2010, 2012 era.
If anyone wants to dress up like Derek, they can.
Oh, funny story. I still have my nose pierced, but when I was 18, I actually had the chain. It got hung on everything, so.
Ooh, that's like a disaster waiting to happen.
Well, yeah, never get in a fight when you've got a chain going from your nose to your ear.
But this looks very similar to a vest you always wear.
Look at the. I'm not doing anything to you. I'm just trying to show the tag on this. Look at the witch holding the knife.
Oh, that looks like from Snow White, right?
That's fun artwork right there. That's fun.
So,
Oh, more masks behind us.
oh look it, that's like your vintage.
Oh, look at these. He's on sale now for $10 hanging around all of these ghosts.
But look it, it's your type, vintage classic skull.
I've got that.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I
Did you
do.
buy it from Party City?
Yeah, probably. Look at the jester staff. Look at the vintage black cat.
Yeah, but they sell that everywhere, don't they?
No, it's mainly here.
Look at the alien spawn. There's Victor and Emily
Yeah.
from Corpse Bride. I kind of like that one, that light up skull mask.
Should we bring it down and light it up?
No, because it probably doesn't work. Oh, look it, there's Poppy Playtime.
All these Spider-Man. Wait, that's not even officially Spider-Man. That's a knockoff.
Yeah, for $15. That's a pretty good price.
Bleeding ghost face. Knockoff Spider-Man.
And then there's Stranger Things costume, Dustin.
Oh, look at the bad kitty. That's like S&M bondage type stuff. That's a whole other kind of scary video.
What is that?
I don't know. This is the
Nitrous
decades.
Nightmare. What is
Decades
this though?
section.
Oh, when you go to the dentist.
Oh, look at his face.
I guess he got messed up at the dentist, huh?
Look at the package art on this. The monks. Look at this. Is hilarious. And it glows in the dark.
Oh, look at that big cockroach.
Where?
It's like what you have in North Carolina.
Oh, we've got bigger than that.
Wow, these are clearance costumes. $5.
For Toy Story, final sale, sold as is. George Washington, $5. Oh, look, Michael Myers window silhouette.
I think that they're still in the process of putting more Halloween out, but this is kind of cool to see all of this at Party City.
I didn't
Look
think...
at Bendy. That's a horror game on phones, I believe.
Oh,
Because
there's that-
Declan has it.
Darth Vader mask that I saw every time I went to Party City last year when they were going out of business.
But it's only $9. Normally with Party City
It was
prices,
cheaper. It was cheaper last year. It got down to $3 on the final week.
But my point is normally wouldn't that run
Yeah.
like 25?
Yeah, definitely. But the one you got me in the Ben Cooper box is way cooler.
Oh, look at those solar pathway lights.
Yeah,
They're
those are pretty cool.
jack-o'-lanterns.
There's your trick-or-treat bag again that you like.
Yep.
And it looks like they're still gonna put more stuff out because here's the tags. And it looks like there's gonna be like anime and gamer.
He is going to ruin the mask
No, I'm not.
before he even gets to purchase it.
Damn.
And he's going to take down the entire wall.
No, I'm not. Man, I'm trying to get a silver shamrock mask, okay? I gotta have a silver shamrock mask. How's it looking from the top up there? Is it moving?
No, it's not at all. Like it's stuck on there. You'll have to ask someone to get it for you because they'll need to get a ladder.
Damn. All right. Mission failed.
Okay, so that's going to wrap up this hunt at Party City. And it looks like I am now joined by the witch from Halloween 3. I hope that their head does not explode while we end this outro. But that was a lot of fun. It was great to be back in a Party City to see what they have to offer. I think that they are going to put more out because when we talked to some of the employees, they said they're still waiting on a few more shipments. So might have to come back and see if they actually get animatronics this year. Now I know the Party City in Canada has animatronics and they have the animatronic from Poltergeist, the clown, and it looks really cool. But I don't know if they will be receiving any. So if you like this type of content, make sure you join the club by slashing that subscribe button below. And until next time, we'll see you
On the dark side.